I see.
And the polling station they better do or die. Because all die be die. They better do or die. The right thing must be done.
2024.
2024 polling station and you better win the
Now my question, reframing it for you to get me, is sir, Your Excellency, your people are need Ghana food being more power. So what you kakra? Because so hitting quite a bit. As I'm quite no Juna, why you in the soft meaning patch of what man say?
Mentia papa, but I'll try. Say man can you not work correct me. Say around for the or being him so elder or Pentecost church. And me Assemblies of God. And then there by coincidence, and as chairman and
Monday I saw number party because Mama party no more.
Now you are seven more. As I near the party in seven so back home. I know the a coincidence, but the American is saying Obiani ni GD. Obiani send me teteno. Me entertain me say me a ruffian and ABB. You entertain me in a certain way. To be polite, gentle, civil to every human being. Say, menya tema ama obia, not depending on who you are. What I say, Sanya to tell me. Now, mean to me change sa character no, and cause me be macho, me be rough, me.
The quality just how change most system.
No, the point is, and you'll be an artist. What I say, and you must not change your character because of politics. There are sometimes that on mine assume drinking. You let go some things. What I say? And yes, Anka, we can say, mempene, nipa nebewu. Because people will come out, they'll kill them, they'll shoot them. What I say? And you have to be responsible. Constitution, they say, if you disagree, go to court. And what option was there? Say, you can't propose, you'll be a TC room. Na say, no man. Mum you to enter tomorrow.
So it will
be irresponsible to do that. What you're saying. And see, on minor sum and for peace, we decided that look, let's follow the constitutional rule. Let's go to court. You call court also. You share 707770 and you stand the better answer. But actually, Nyansebi say elections are not won in the Supreme Court.
Yeah.
Elections are won at the polling station. And see, the next time. Polling station home.
And I'm to be was a mutu or mobetu. I see. What's so for no contact for to Abama pa? Emma even po President Kufuor be complaining catch almost street said the way Mutuaba na nyane de. Wo chairman regional chairman UNESCO ne nickname back here also occur style BB 1111. Bunu East out of 11 who we need 10 constituencies. Who lead President Kufuor with over 60,000 votes. Parliamentary who signed leading. How do you see the performance of the regional chairman and his executives across the region?
I came purposely to thank the region, my in-laws, for not disappointing me. Because Senya Oka, me ready results, maybe 2020 results. No to me who say, from 182,000 to 240 something thousand.
Wow.
Nature say Bono is etwaba my pa, and we appreciate it. You so. Anything asamba yeah but that's it. Unasco there or yeah miaminua na nejuma so any on any executive so to say omaka boom and omuye ejuma no. Baby bebre wonya na sa obehu na we twen koha and so babunu is so there otimi so omu na aka bom na omuye ejuma no enti ono so me buy ma bona baso badana se asane eba radio station na no aye share ye kon ni fie ekodana se
I see
ono so hwe ye pa ni fried rice
Bacha no munso kakra ma me na me ndame hombra bushia safina watching fidina to her aha Eyakina 100.9 live from the heart of the Bono East regional capital. Yeneman Penyine Dada, His Excellency former President John Dramani Mahama Edin Komo. Man me udindi ewo fidima ha Professor Nana Genopukwajima wo fidium ha general ba kope yewra sedin ketia enso e wo fidium ha sanso na yewra chairman of so ampofo enso e wo fidium ha sanso na yewra UNESCO enso e wo fidium ha Babs a deputy communication officer Bono East wo fidium ha yewra Felix Ofosu okwache enso e wo fidium ha if you had the makers MPP NDC kuku dem ni nyina ewo fidium ha na ye former president John Dramani Mahama ene din komo efa ne thank you to a ode ahihye so mampin menim before I make my next question let me say no man fan shim na ohwe ne si wo techima fortune say o man nya justice the way o mo sipe no Tasam no who saying
near the kind your party I take a position on that matter. Yeah, I can say and confer a tutu mutu no. A bimpo no a party for almost about hockey teach man for a chess or matters a BBC. Back home about fracket to be with the 18 years as a and now Ombunya Bejina home. And take two no toy, and I can't sign it me and say, Omu, no more preference or Omodoso. Like I say, a call Winchi Hospital, a coacha or more preference. Now, Yaka say, justice must not only be done, but be seen to be done. I was say, Omo to Satuno, Yatri Omaso. And yes, I should be on babyum. Because normally, when you're friend impunity, and to teach him and see Yanya Honshino, and no neck far a dradian so by. Na se koso sa na ya ntwe nipa so a eno ane se basa yo bibia ba wo hwe emra ni mu a security emra no ye wo rules of engagement wo hwe ase ne say na odinsuo na wapete na why say se ni na entimi enye djuma ansa na fresh soldier for eba so wo hwe ejura eyi no say abra asrafo na eba no security forces na eba na soldier for na we nim and cause police for we him na soldier for we chi and the police one be ya na anya ya na soldier for no abam and so omuduru ho a omo receive free from nyina soldier for from omo pick up omo see and so papa na asemaba
kronobo ni yekunipa robbery
and see the American say we must do justice first or say omo yesam ya twa omo aso no mu who say you cannot just waste human life like that.
But President come
then apart from that,
and Joe Wise and so unfortunately make his statement.
Also, we are criminals.
We are robbers.
Can you imagine that? And it's not only justice, they must be compensated. The families must be compensated for the loss of loved ones. Some pray I will say more compensation. Now, me my clients is so say, however long it takes, meaning saying this are buying by and it's a buying bar. We will investigate these things. Murder and criminal, matters. You need statute of limitation be also. And maybe you can still investigate them and do what is right. It is end is a buying bar. We will investigate now. Yes, and aside from that, families know so. Say you be dear by more will compensate them. Those who were killed, families never compensate you. Now, prepare and will compensate them, for the actions that were taken by Abine security for. Now, apart from that, general insecurity. I'm say security now assign it because me call upper east, upper west. Who na obi a me share bia ahemfo obi a almost say. Won't mean Nante Aquino so after 8:39. One year will be sham robbers. Almost on Yawa, and yes, on be robbing from the coon. And see, ama time and near nam sa miano. And I do Yanam Quansa Yankwa in Shaka can't cock because there's an unspoken curfew because of armed robbers. And me Abine Adrian Echo so say they should do whatever possible. You say you Ghana police for almost bomb home empire. Normally soldier for no joint anti-armed robbery squad. Na say your mom near or some dear Jumana, betting me a Jumana kama. Omunya bulletproof vest. omu hia atuo ne cars on betimi atena mu armed robber tutu a enkoku police ni na soldier ni no omu hia sa anyoma ni nyina na me ogide say abanya sa anyoma no ma omo a this country will be safer abra ye wa ban mu. We ordered more than 1,000 vehicles for the Ghana Police Service. Now almost every station will pick up and our means of transport. And next BBC now free or local station almost unique a car say this a police one no for taxi a back crime scene home on be bedroom on na near CAC. And the say I buy a mom and fidie and your man was some of the juma. Me sure say Ghana Police ni Ghana Army the ombe and dodo.
Live in the studio with the former President John Dramani Mahama. Jumadi nam Winners FM Techimai, Asta FM Techimai, KFM Techimai, Jinkwa Radio, Atubu FM Atebubu, Kentampo Radio, Kentampo Fabia, Nkranza, Sanso, and Sini FM, Kwame Danso, Sanso Nesaya Live, a Live FM, Iwoyeji, Free FM Techimai. Wamunyina etiafen so kobolia enkiji minim ukrom din maboni ye enkiji enkligi simbalo ngashi kati ya dagbanle
enkligi FM also bole for it
bole for it obi eti o live
ya microphone nyina
dia na be ka chemo
me ba se me be chia me be da bunu is for ase nti ne dikan bunu is for nyina me da akwenye edam nyina ase me nim se ye won hyemu kakra bi ewia e wo bamre nye obi an betimi aba ho nti me fa Akina Radio 100.9 so ene omo connected bunu is nyina sa radio station si ene me bole for mo kan bunu is so mo so me da mo ase odo amo kire me enti me da
no kra okono no ya semba ku bi no so hia pa no kra me last question nipa odi hwambo kese a ono party for bonus subo ye Jean Mensa obi be ka say Ghana for ko election na Jean Mensa so ye ne selection mami ono no da so ti ho menim se ko ba se 2024 no bioma wa dwene mo dia na be ka what do you make of say you know considering
this acts of omission and commission. Sometimes what the acts of commission and omission and commission etimi edidi boni. You see, and no maybe in the run up to election no. Now utimi who say favor one political party. And no sema say almost say yemfa reform semre. And ya try the echo. Yeah, they call you see yemfa koma IPAC.
Yeah.
And me say IPAC onye nipa bi original baby a ebe kwa say ora IPAC ya try we into wo de eje IPAC ewo EC Kukwam because IPAC is a part of the EC. It's an advisory committee to the EC. And the letter about say ya try your suggestions for reformer. Now say me from my EC fa koma IPAC when and we're sensitizing people. You share Nkramofo, you share Christopher, you share civil society organizations, and more reforms now. You perceive here no more. Aside from that, reforms no the core parliament, so that a bedroom constitutional instruments for elections, our legislation for elections no will factor those reforms we are suggesting in. Constitutional instruments, and we're just sitting down and advocating for this. We're going to take effective action to make sure that those reforms are taken on board. We share a new Let me give you an example. We share pink sheets in the What was the use of a new biometric register? It was to make sure say obi obeba beto abebia machine no be capture. Naka say polling station ye bie nipa 542 and a beto aba. Na ISA no pink sheets are ye de pink sheets by pink sheets form no so ye ni bebia ye tro biometric registration no ye ni bebia sa our form no so Oko baby bra ya ma omo rubber stamp. Say we have stamp natural you know. Pink sheets no do na precisely officers no antro biometric you know e was so. Enti untimi compare biometric figure no with ballot papers e wa adaka no. It couldn't have been by mistake. It couldn't have been by mistake. You printed ballot papers e wa Ghana had so many times. And maybe I printed we are ye. Obia to me accounting for ballot papers no. When kwa ya printed ye. Obi refi ni bibi wa printing house okoya millions of ballot papers and normal printing at home. They say, oh, na then na ballot papers ya printed ya pack bibi akono ballot papers free. Oh, I am from so a mistake. Inti am question no. Now already here the big election day when ballot papers and before you change before be omukuta ballot papers. For everyone that we arrested, one ballot paper. About 100 we didn't arrest. It made me sure say there was a lot of stuffing of the ballot boxes. We share BVR machine also now share ballot papers or box ballot papers no better also change number or BVR also. It was a very election what you say you understand, but Supreme Court say nekwanswa into yajetum for the peace of this nation. He now recognizes Yaman Penyini Nana Akufo-Addo. He is the recognized leader. We've accepted the Supreme Court judgment. But the point is, you see, maybe a BCP na Odisianyansa. Yes, yeah, the 2020 Sianyansa. Elections, no, it will be won or lost at the polling station.
I see.
And the polling station, they better do or die. Because all die be die. They better do or die. The right thing must be done. 2024 polling station na ho na yebe win election no yen twen emma yen ka say collation center na the Supreme Court debi collation center and polling station ho. We will do everything to make sure that the election is free, transparent and fair. Yen person we are MPP for, we don't want to cheat them. Yen say yen person will be abewian ma banin yen frinchem na nya Ghana for penal nya Ghana for akoma so no. Let that be what is done.